Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming essentials. Your phone runs Android 8. 0 or later, you're signed into Google and battery is adequate. Once done, open Settings and either tap Accessibility or use the search bar to find voice access. This is the fastest route. Make sure the Google app is installed. Voice access piggybacks on Google's services. Now tap the voice access entry to begin activation. This moves you from prep into the actual activation flow. You'll now flip the core switches. Tap to turn voice access on in Accessibility. The system will show permission prompts. Grant microphone access so speech is captured, allow display over other apps so numbers overlay your screen, and accept accessibility permission so commands control the UI. If you want hands-free activation, enable voice match or the wake word option. This trains Google to recognize your voice. Make sure overlays are permitted, because without them, you can't select. Finish by running the built-in tutorial and testing a variety of commands. Open apps, tap items by number, and scroll pages. This validates permissions and trains you on phrasing. Next, customize language and sensitivity so recognition matches your accent, and decide whether voice access works on the lock screen. If things go wrong, try a reboot first. Then reopen settings to re-grant microphone and overlay permissions, or clear voice access data to reset the voice model. This resolves most failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.